What's up YouTube? My name is Michael. 8 years ago, my business partner and I invested everything we had, which was $6,000 at the time, into our first ever e-commerce business, not knowing if we'd ever make a single sale. And just last month, we cracked $1 million of sales in a single day, and we're currently scaling an 8-figure brand. One of my philosophies in business and in life is to never live with regrets. And I genuinely don't have any, except for one. I didn't document the journey in the early days. When I look back at my camera roll, I barely have any footage of the early days, except for a few photos here and there. You see, looking back, we genuinely had no fucking clue what we were doing at the time. We had no prior business experience, no fancy degrees, and no mentors helping us out. But boy, have we been through a lot in the last 8 years. From working out of Mark's house, quitting our jobs, growing a team, launching a ton of products, a lot of them failed and a few found success. And we were close to going out of business more times than we would have liked. But along the way, we've really met some amazing people and done some crazy shit. If only we had captured those raw, unfiltered moments along the journey, it would be so great to look back at. So that's why I'm here, creating this new series called Build Diaries and starting my vlogging journey to document and share with all the aspiring entrepreneurs and that 23-year-old me when I was first starting out. I know I would have found this type of content both inspiring and educational. So my plan for this channel is to really show you guys all the behind the scenes, the raw, unfiltered stuff of building an 8-figure brand here in Australia. And with that being said, welcome to the first episode. In this episode, I'm taking you guys along with me to our recent trip to Shenzhen and Hong Kong. In Shenzhen, we were visiting multiple factories and suppliers, and in Hong Kong, we went to go see the Global Sources Expo, which I believe is much better than Canton Fair, and we went to go check out new products and see the new innovation.
I did not just say that.
Thank you very much. This is good. This is nice. I think this is better than a ferry. Landed. We haven't lost anything. Almost lost Mark's bag. That was funny.
I was so
Your face.
名字应该是这个 Mark 公司，是他定的。
I don't really get to practice it much at home. I speak at home with like my mum and dad. But that's we only speak Chinese at home. But it's like, it's so simple what we say.
Yeah, okay, so you're not having long conversations.
Not having, and if you don't know something, you just like, it's like, oh, you just point something off.
Yeah,
like, just get away.
yeah.
It's just your parents and they
Sure.
know. Matthew's even worse, my brother.
Is it? Yeah.
Every time I come to China, I tell myself I'm gonna go and download that
Duolingo.
yeah, like that, and also 1 week and go tutoring. So I was like, gonna book myself in for like once a week, just do like an hour thing.
Hey,
I'd
good
never
thing.
do it. Like, but I feel like it would just take.
Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. We're in Shenzhen. We're here for the next 3 days. We've got 3 big days ahead of us. So every day we're gonna go see suppliers. We're gonna mainly go see the factories. We're in the final stages of production with a few of our upcoming products. And yeah, don't have too long. We said we'll be down at breakfast by 7:15. And then they're gonna pick us up by 8:30. Got a tight schedule. Now, yeah, I'm just gonna make myself a coffee. So I can't function in the morning without one first. So I need a coffee, gonna hit a quick workout, steam room, sauna, just to get myself ready for the day. All right, let's do it.
Sometimes I question whether this shit matters. Put the substance into something in the world so used to instant gratification. Found this instrumental on my
Man, it actually looks really good. Actually looks really good. All the issues we had, sometimes the magnets were showing in here. We had to get like a matte finish on there, so now it's looking good. The magnet strength is really strong.
I think when it comes off the actual assembly line, it looks even better. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, this is pretty much the final unit you're gonna get.
A lot of the time they'll give you say CNC samples or trial production samples, and they're about 80% there. But now it's looking pretty good. I don't think there's really any more modifications or adjustments.
And I feel like
to make
we're
to it.
pretty picky as well. Like we want to be, especially when it comes to the final assembly. And
Yeah.
you know,
The retractable
really see
cable is
any
really
issues
strong
as well, so.
and long as well, 80 centimeters. They shortened the lightning cable as well
Yeah.
because it was sort of raising up here, so all the little details matter so much.
Liquid
and they
silicon
fix
here.
it all up.
Everything looks good.
Liquid silicon, so when it goes in your phone, no scratching. It's looking awesome.
It's not good.
Yeah, because then it
It's
raises here.
it's rising here and
Yeah.
it's loose.
Yeah. I think this is better.
I think so. I think so.
People won't notice as much anyway. I think they just
Yeah, they want
I think the
to.
one thing I noticed is there's loops, some different sizes. The one's really short and this one's really
Oh,
long.
I got it. I got it.
So this one's like very short.
I got it.
This one's very long.
So then right now, right now it's quite good. Right?
Yeah, it's good. Really good. Really good.
Yeah.
You can find right now the gap here is also that's not gap.
Yeah.
Right. And here, even here, it's quite good. It's quite good. I like it. I like it.
Really good.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, you can see it's a bit shinier.
Yeah,
This one,
shiny. It's shiny.
this one has a different feeling, right? Or-
Yeah, it's different.
yeah.
Just when did I become my biggest critic? I wanna be my biggest fan, like how I was when didn't nobody know my jams. Today my son said, Dad, let go my hand. Reminded me one day he's gonna
This
be
is a project we were working on, but we stopped. We're not working on this anymore. This is what we were doing with.
Which, right?
Yeah, we're not doing this anymore.
Okay. Because it's too complicated. Or what kind of check?
They have problems. They have
What kind
problems.
of problem?
They have
Engineering
problems.
problem?
They have problems internally with their company.
Remember I explained to you that
Yeah, we
Jack,
don't. This is what we
I
don't
don't think
know.
they can
Yeah,
pass
I
the essay.
This is what we don't know.
Yeah, I don't think because the too big
They might not
power
know yet. Yeah.
and the temperature will be big problem.
can it be more than 15 because the pogo pin is bigger?
I think so. Well,
Then this.
Box just mentioned that should be this way, but we need to also check with the laboratory engineer that whether they can pass, whether temperature, working temperature is
Cause
okay.
niggas bound to triumph. If I said I was the toughest growing up, I would be lying. I had a fear of getting punched while everybody eyeing. Add to that a constant fear of dying. My gunshot wound or other violent type of illness. I kept a tough demeanor on the surface, but was mostly just pretending. Luckily, my bluff was working way more often than not. But sometimes a nigga pull my card, trying to expose me for
One time.
Right now we are going for the laboratory tech.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay,
For
laboratory
all the machines.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So
Laboratory testing will go to
we go to the injection.
Injection place.
Injection molding.
Yeah. and
25
the
minutes.
25 minutes. Yeah.
and then 2 hours in injection mold.
Yeah, 2 hours stay there. We just check the injection effect and we also check out tuning.
And then go to dinner and then back to hotel.
Yeah, we'll
Perfect.
send you back.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go!
couple wins, couple losses, some broken up, too quick to call it. My last scrap was with Puff Daddy, who would've thought it? I bought that nigga album in 7th grade and played it so much.
Drop test, paper systems, charge fluid, and global safety certifications. This is where the real pressure gets in. Pretty good.
Prototyping is one thing. Designing, creating custom protocols is a whole other ballgame.
That's it. Bang. One take mic.
Bad licks, they have a nigga serving 3 to 6. Shit.
One thing, but creating a custom protocol is a whole other ballgame.
Hoping to see home if I die before I see your smile just one more time. Soldier song, I could be one to lean on. Time will right the wrongs, won't be long. How can we grow any closer? How can we grow any closer?
买所有的啤酒不上头的要吗？
我们这里是给的
那个什么，那个线材亮面那个
我们点保
接
温碗。
受不了吗？
Something is suddenly smothering, stopping me stubbornly.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. We'll see you in Hong Kong anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anytime. Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. Nice to
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. We'll see you in Hong Kong, okay?
Yeah,
we'll see you
no
in Hong
problem.
Kong.
Lord, please. For the culture. Real culture. For all my niggas.
Hello.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
What's happening, guys? So we're just right now, we're in the Snap Wallet factory. Pretty much what we're doing right now is we've picked about 10 units off the production line, and we're just going to test and make sure all the final functions are correct, because right now it's in the final stages of mass production. So we just want to make sure all the details are correct. We want to make sure the Find My tracking works, the leather's good, everything. Just every little detail we want to make sure is perfect, right? Just about to do a drop test for the Snap Wallet. Got it up here, clamped. This one, ready.
She gon' hate that, she gon' say that I'm an asshole, but I know. Listen, nigga, you ain't really about the shit. I've been ballin' from the start, and now I'm really about to spit. Who you fucking with? About to kill the game with a hit. Started eating tracks and win, never starved.
And only 3 hours go to the Changsha, also one of the most famous with the food and the
Famous with food.
pretty ladies.
Pretty ladies.
Pretty ladies.
And take 6 hours go to Chengdu. Most
刚刚吃饭的时候你才说四川美女多，
也多 and the most of the guys in Chengdu.
Most guys in Chengdu? Yeah.
Yes.
Those guys.
Yes.
Mark's
the-
favorite.
Oh, you can go to there. Yeah, a lot of the choice.
Think I am too much, making moves, but I think I plan too much. God damn, they don't hand too much.
差异化单位的话，因为它
They actually have this. This is another concept.
This is a different way to plug in. It's really nice. All right, we've just finished a 3.5-hour meeting. We had a full lesson about battery cells, battery types, lithium ion, lithium polymer, NCM. It's really interesting. Basically, you know, as consumers are developing, as there's new power banks in the market, we want more safer products and more safer batteries, and they've done tests on the 2 different types of batteries, so the commonly used ones right now versus the new solid states. And when you do a needle, so essentially when you put a needle through the actual power bank itself, the battery itself, the ones that we use right now fully explodes, and the new ones don't at all. So it's crazy.
Actually, we're getting pretty hungry.
What
These
time is
days
it?
are So draining.
What time is it?
What is
6:30.
crazy though is
We just left the
the factory workers work from 8:30 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Yeah,
every night.
we're complaining. They don't finish till 10:30, 11 sometimes, and they're still doing stuff for the clients. And they start at 8 a.m. 8 a.m? Or 8:30 a.m?
Yeah, around 8:30.
6 days a week. So that's it. So if you think you're working hard, you're not. No.
Start yelling at us.
We think we're working hard. They're working harder. That's for sure. So, yeah. So as I was saying before, we've just finished a 3-hour meeting. I don't even know how long. Unplanned for factory visit. Turned out to be really good. And yeah, so now we are heading off to dinner with the same suppliers. Try to make it short and sharp. Get some dinner and then head home. Another day tomorrow.
I promise all my niggas gon' ride. And we gon' push you to the side, to the side, to the side.
Alright, let's see what we're in for tonight, eh? This is the menu right here, so let's see what we're in here for. Oh, that looks good. That's like pork. All right, that's pork. That's fish. I can do that. That's good. That's some dumplings.
That's good.
That's beef stew. That's good. Some chicken.
Yes. Oh, that's back.
Looks good. What's this one? Oh, Fanjin
Bullshit get on your nerves. We the type to get anything we think we deserve and splurge. I'm going big, bitch, I'm going big. I've been saying that shit ever since I was a kid. I've been doing shit I thought I never.
Day 3. Good morning, day 3. Your last day in Shenzhen. I'm gonna get some breakfast and head off straight away.
Yeah, the world is so small till it ain't. Yeah, I'm building up a.
This is gonna be a rush day. Final day in Shenzhen, and today is gonna be chaos because we have to head back to Hong Kong at 3 p.m. So we have to be back at the hotel at 3 p.m. but we've got a full day of shooting. And the last 2 days we've been going from about 8:30 a.m. to like 6, 7 p.m. at night. And we've got like, what, 4 less hours to do everything in. So we're already late. It's already 8:12. We were supposed to be at the factory at 8:30. The factory's booked a car to come pick us up right now. Just go to
I hope I never keep you waiting. Yeah, I think I know it all, but I don't. Why you always at the mall when you're broke?